Finally, we are here. Got a golf course, playing the back nine. Check on it. Oh, Winnie.
Nice, Winnie. That was a good hit. One of our bros just hit it onto the green. In hindsight, there's their green over there. So
Oh, fuck me.
hey Winnie, can you see the downslope? Got a redemption finally.
Fucking eat it.
Line plus?
Wrap it up. No, I have to grab it. Koko e te tau whima, tio koko e te atu i ngā hau. He ngā pōra ki wiwi ki goa, engari ke taku pōra haere ki te taha tika ki te taha pai. He, oera, hara mai te toki hau me hui e pai ki e. Fuck!
The same. Alright. Oh, that's fucking good. It's a good line. Cuz the hole's over there, cuz.
Oh, fuck, sorry.
The hole's there and your ball's over.
Fuck, there's another thing.
Yeah.
Alright, fine now. We are pumping this to the green. Okay, slowly. I feel like it's moving away from your head.
Oh, that's gangsterishy. Where's that going? Holy shit. Fuck. Jesus Christ, lad.
You must be imagining something here. I haven't even took my shot yet.
Yeah, no, I must be tripping. It's got to sit.
Fuck! To be jump over, because I've done that before. Wow.
That's alright, Winnie. That's alright. Winnie, where the fuck are you aiming, bro? Far, that went pretty far. Ah, what's that over there?
Must have been the one finder. Mark, bro, if there's a ball over there, just sense one. Not that I hit it over there, just grab it though.
Fuck, that was good. Ah, yeah, perfect. Put on the angle finally. God, I don't know what I did. That one's so too. I want to take a drop up here.
Fuck!
Yep. Chip on it. Couldn't be fucked finishing the hole. Chip.